Paint correction. Now, the average repair cost of a paint correction on any vehicle ranges anywhere between $800 and $1,000. Average cost of materials is between $25 and $30 per vehicle. Now, the average repair time, depending on the severity, may range anywhere between 2 and 4 hours. With our paint correction system, we go through breaking down the paint, removing any oxidation, any minor scratches, any fading, any overall wear and tear, any water spots that may be on the vehicle. With this repair system, we teach you how to start by washing the car and prepping the vehicle properly. We take you inside and we teach you how to identify the type of damage that you're going to repairing. We help you to choose which types of pads, along with the machine and chemical process that we'll be using to repair that type of damage. Once you are done with the paint correction process, you are ready to apply ceramic coating, or you can leave the vehicle as is. Now, most customers opt to add ceramic coating on top of the paint corrected vehicle. Now, with our paint correction training system, it can be a standalone business by itself, or a perfect addition to an existing business already, such as an interior repair, auto detailing, or ceramic coating. Paint corrections and ceramic coating go hand in hand. Now, here at the Dent King, we always say, the more you learn, the more you earn.